What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix you are not able to install or uninstall an app or software on Windows. So let's get right into this. So the first and foremost thing is there's actually a troubleshooter directly from Microsoft itself that lets you essentially do this. I will leave this link in the description below, but you could just Google Microsoft app installer software or whatever, but it'll pop in Google, right? So, and you can see over here, there's literally a download troubleshooter, and it tells you this program install and uninstall troubleshooter. The program, sorry, and I think that's what it's literally called. Helps you automatically repair issues when you're blocked from uninstalling or removing program. It also fixes corrupted registry keys. That's most likely the reason why this is essentially happening, because and it even shows you what it's going to do. And then once you run this software, it shows you exactly like, okay, you can uninstall this now or install this. So this is the first thing that you should try to do. If you're not able to do it with this, the next thing you can do, or maybe you want to try this instead, is go to search bar, type in services, and in here find something called Windows Installer right here. And in here, right click into this, go to properties, make sure this is running, so it started, and make sure basically once you do that, that you are now able to uninstall said softwares or apps or packages or whatever, right? So once you do this, restart your computer, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.